It's one of those mornings where we have to treat it as if it's like winter
Yes.
outside, and that includes allowing some extra time to perhaps clean some frost off of your car windows. Yeah, that is just going to be the trend as we are really seeing the coldest start to a morning that we've had so far this season. Take a look at where this freeze warning is currently in effect. This basically is showing us where we're seeing outlying locations starting to drop into that 32 degrees or below mark, which is where that frost and widespread freeze would likely take place. 33 currently your temperature in Shelbyville, but we're down to 30 in Kokomo. Still in that urban heat island here in the Indy Metro at 40, but we'll likely drop off another few degrees. So for your morning rush forecast, the sun will come up just before 8 o'clock this morning. At that point, the frost will start to melt away. Temperatures will start to recover, but it's going to be pretty cold over the next few hours, especially for this time of year. Now, as we get into the afternoon, the sunshine going to play a role in helping temperatures warm. That's combined with a southerly wind flow today, and that's a change from earlier this week. That's going to help the temperature to climb a little bit warmer. Yesterday, we only had a high of 58. Today, most of us get back into the low to mid 60s for highs. So pretty close to average, perhaps a degree or two shy of it. 61 the high in Muncie later today, 62 up in Kokomo, and 63 down in Shelbyville. If you're trying to get into the fall, perhaps Halloween spirit, we've got harvest nights going on at Newfields. Make sure to get your ticket ahead of time. This is expected to be one of the busier nights. Going to be open between 7 and 10 tonight. Notice your temperature. Going to be a cool one under that clear sky. Will fall from 58 back to 48 by the 10 o'clock hour and eventually back into the 30s overnight. Now, these will be your Friday morning temperatures. Looks like the last chance here we have frost in the extended forecast. We're going to warm up from here. So one more cool morning where we have lows that will fall back into the mid 30s and areas of frost will be possible. Now come tomorrow afternoon, once again, that southerly wind component with sunshine going to help to warm these temperatures back up. We're going to start changing up our air mass come tomorrow. Still looking at a high in the 60s, around 67, but that's basically where we should be at this point in the season. 68 in Shelbyville, same deal over in Greencastle for Friday. Now temperatures will continue to warm as we get into the weekend. This white line represents the average high at this point in the season. We're looking at highs holding steady in the low to mid 70s as we get into early next week. And as far as these overnight low temperatures go, again, tomorrow morning will be the exception. Not going to be worried about frost developing in that longer term pattern. In fact, as we look deeper into the future, this is your 2-week temperature outlook from the Climate Prediction Center. Huge portion of Indiana going to be at that 60% chance of above average temperatures. Even northern Indiana, a 50% chance that temperatures stay above average through the 29th of the month. Mostly sunny skies as well. That only rain chance looks to come along a week boundary next Tuesday. A stray shower chance there. Otherwise, we're looking at a mainly dry pattern with temperatures continuing that warming trend.